Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn off the dark mode or how to disable the dark mode on your Google Keep on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn off the dark mode on your Google Keep on your computer. Just going to show this video so you can see notes and every functionality or every options here on dark mode. You just need to turn this off. For that, first of all, click on the setting option on the top. Click on the setting option, and here you have this option on the second option, disable the dark mode. So if you just click this, you can see everything has been changed to the lighter mode. You can see it will also shows the images on the dark mode will change this to the lighter mode. This is how we just turn off or remove the dark mode or enable the lighter mode or bright mode on your Google Keep on your computer. And if you have any comment doubt about the tech, just comment below. I will make a video about it. And we will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.